Hello and welcome back to another video. This is going to be the tutorial for the Ace, Joker, and 10 trick. So the cards are Ace, Joker, and 10. Just really you need to remember a lot of the moves, and it's pretty hard actually executing some of them. You need an Ace, one Joker, and one random card. The random card's going to be on top, then the Joker, then the Ace. So what you're going to need is going to go right here, do a double flip. This is two cards. You pick up two cards, flip both of them over, show the Joker, flip it over, take this card, which is actually 10, they think it's the Joker, show the Joker again, say there's a second Joker, then show the Ace. Now the Ace on top, Joker's in the middle, and 10 is on the bottom. So you'll say the Ace on top. Then you're going to take both cards once again, transfer them to the bottom. So now you have Joker, Ace, 10. So they're going to say, where is it? You're going to ask them, where is it? They're probably going to say on the bottom. So show the bottom, show that it's a Joker. Now what you need to do is do a double flip once again, but with the top and bottom card, not the first two cards. The way they do that is you push this back, then grab down one with your middle finger, push it up until you feel that card right there with your thumb. Then slide to the side and pick up top and bottom card. Flip it over. So the Joker's on top, then flip it over. Obviously the Joker will be in the middle. Then you do the exact same thing for the Ace. Again, Ace right there. Slide down, slide up, push to the side, pick both of them up, show it's on top, flip it over, show in the middle. Now we're going to use a principle that I already taught. I'm going to show the bottom card, flip it over, take the top card. Show the bottom card, flip it over, take the top card. Show the bottom card, put it on top. So that will make it look like you have three Jokers if you do it quickly. One Joker, two Jokers, and three Jokers. So now you have a Joker, an Ace, and a 10 in this order. Like top card's Joker, then Ace, and 10. So let's say, okay, I'll tell you what the cards are. If you guess, I'll tell you how to do the trick. If you guess what this last card is, then they're probably going to say a Joker. You can do some cool reveal, show the 10 of diamonds. Right there. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, comment, and share the video, please. I'm just starting out. I'm really trying to get some traction on YouTube here. If you want to stay tuned for more awesome magic like this, stay tuned. I'm just really trying to get a fan base before I can start uploading more and more and more. And I'm trying to upload pretty frequently. So if you see this video, like it, subscribe to the channel, and share the video. Thank you. Goodbye.